pattern palace on its side. This should be a jolly ride. To reach the golden double six, it will take some clever tricks. You'll need to build a path. And so, go, Domino!
Oh no. Round things. Although it does have 4 parts, like me. And like that one. Ooh, 1 part. Your turn, 1.
Now you 2.
2 parts and 5 parts.
High 5. And another.
Ooh.
Look alive, it's level 5. 1 more level left, you know. So go, Domino!
Uh-oh. There's a number 5 here, but I can't see another 5 up there.
But look over there. 5 spots.
There are 3 slices in that pie. We need another 3. Aha!
That means 2. And that means 2.
6 and 6 spots mean the same. A double 6 to win this game. Well done. You all deserve a prize. It's picnic time. Surprise, surprise.
Hooray!